Hey guys, it's CodingTuts and welcome back to a brand new video. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create waves for your background just like the ones we have right here. It's extremely simple to do, so let's just jump into it. Alright, as you can see, I have a Miami-based, or actually a Miami-themed website, and I want to recreate that beach vibe, and something's missing. And you know what's missing? It's the waves. I want to create some waves right here, just to give it that beach look. So, what we're going to do is we're actually going to use an SVG as a background, and then repeat it horizontally so that it becomes endless. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a div, and I'm going to give it a class of waves. And then I'm going to go to my CSS, and right here I'm going to style it. So I'm going to say waves, and then the first thing that we want to say is display block, just because we want it to have a width of 100% of the screen. And then height 52 pixels because with the current image that we're using, that we're going to be using, this works best. And by the way, I will be putting a link in the description below where you can download this SVG that we're going to be using. Then we're going to say background repeat X, horizontally. And then background size is going to be cover, or actually contain. We want to contain the size and not cover it. And last, we're going to say background position, center. Now let's refresh, and we can see that nothing has changed. So we want to actually now set the background image of the waves. So I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to say background image, and then the URL for my current image is images, SVG icons, index, white, blue, waves.svg. Let's hit save and refresh, and as you can see, the waves appear. Now, here is actually the SVG code of the background of the waves. So as you can see, we have two colors, white and blue. So we can actually change it. Instead of white, we can type in red. And as you can see, the background color of the waves changes, and also instead of blue we can put any other color like green, for example. So as you can see, you can customize these waves however you want. So I'm really excited to see what you're going to be doing with these waves. So if you create a website using these, please make sure to comment below so that I can check it out. Anyways, this is it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and like this video if you want to see more, and comment on what I should do next for a tutorial. Yeah, so bye guys.